Hi guys, welcome back to my channel on building Voice of the Night Bugatti. As you can see, we've got our doors on. We are working on the two fins. I've already put one together right here. We are still in phase 9. We are working on steps 809 to 817. Really not much to do on these steps. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and follow for more videos. I appreciate you all. Why don't we put this together and put it on our car? And it's a really quick put together. I still have a Lamborghini series coming as soon as we get this guy built. There's 5 in total in the series that will be after the Bugatti. So stay tuned for that. Also have a Porsche that we're going to be putting together. And boom. The right side is steps 809 to 812. And this one for the left is 813 to 817. So we just pop it in here. Just like that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video, and we will talk to you later. Have a good day. Later.